Well, hello everyone. I'm Intan Milenia Asina Marbun. I'm architecture student class of 2018 Faculty of Engineering, University of North Sumatra. And now I will present the process and the results of my four architectural design studio, uh, namely designing multifunctional buildings of medium rise with the function of hotels and malls. I will start with explain about the location and the facade. So Guana Hotel and Mall is a single building with a mixed function between the hotel and the mall. The buildings has 12 story in an architectural design that blends in the location of natural public space of the city scale. So this is the location of the design. This is the site location. It is at in the intersection of Gagak Hitam Street and Balibis Street, Medan Sunggal, Subdistrict, Medan City. So why I choose this site? First, because the site are qualifies for 1,000 square meters. The site is in the center of economic and business activities. The site is located at an intersection and close to several large buildings such as the Medan International Convention Center and Manhattan Times Square. The site has so many potential. This is the site analysis that I make. First is sun analysis, wind analysis, noise analysis, and view analysis. So building orientation leads to the main circulation of Gagak Hitam Street with view and access consideration to prevent overheating in the morning that leads to the building due to the east facing orientation. The tower is cantilevered on each floor as shading. The podium roof floors is used as a garden to reduce heat. The swimming pool is made on the backside of the roof of the buildings. Next, I will explain about the design of the facade shape. Uh, the building was designed by trying to respond to rectangular footprint and was at a crossroad. Journey is carried out where hotels and malls are placed on different sites. We can look at this mass because the hotel is the main function. Uh, it is expected that there is privacy between hotel and mall visitors. So why the buildings is level have a different level for the malfunction and for the hotel function. Uh, Next slide, I will explain about the site plan. We can look the site plan that I have made on the screen. We can see there is circulation around the site or the building in front. This is the circulation toward the hotel. The hotel is over here, and this is the circulation toward the mall. The mall is over here. This is the basement circulation. This is the loading and unloading of goods, and this is the circulation around. the side, and all the edges of the side or all the building is open space, and on some area are green open space like over here, and in front of the building. So there is so many uh, garden or green open space that I made. In this slide, I will explain about the floor plan, look at the look of the building or facade, and the elevation. I will start with the floor plan. We can see on the screen. So in the left side of the first, second, and third floor of the podium, there is a malfunction. This is the malfunction that I mean in the first floor of podium. This is the malfunction of second floor of podium, and this is the malfunction of third floor of podium. And in the right side of a function of supporting hotels, such as restaurant, fitness center, meeting room, salon and spa, and other function. And on the roof floor of the podium, there are swimming pool and garden to support the function of the hotel. So the hotel function I made in the fifth floor until 11th floor. So the hotel function is in the tower. This is the basement, this is the first basement, and this is the second basement. This is the elevation that I have made. This is the front elevation. This is the right elevation. This is the back elevation. And this is the left elevation. Now I will explain that in the hotel lobby, there is a glass wall top shaped void that stands from the first floor to the roof floor of the podium. In the middle of the top, in the middle of the void, plant a large tree, and the light is entered into the lobby closely. This is the main attraction of the hotel. This is the void that I'm in. The shape is circle. This is the void of first floor podium. This is the second floor, third floor, and this is the roof floor podium. In 3D modeling, the top is over here. Next slide, I will explain about the section 3D modeling outdoor view and the architectural models. We can see this is the section that from this we can see the level of the floor. This is the podium and this is the tower. This is the 3D modeling outdoor view. In this section, we can see how the atmosphere of the outdoor space around the building. This is the top. This is the back or in the back of the side garden. This is the garden and garden. The green open space that just I described in the previous slide is clearly visible in the picture of architectural model. This is my architectural model, and we can see the tree that plant around the side. We can see over here and over here. This is the garden of the rooftop. This is the tower. We can see the different level of the podium and the tower. So that's all my presentation about my project. There is so many mistakes, so I feel sorry for the mistake. I would like thank you especially to my lecturer, Mr. Ahmad Mansuri. Thank you. Stay healthy and see you.